There's a lot of things you're going to see in this video that are wrong. I found out more later after the fact, but because the deck had been there for 20 to 25 years, I just wanted to improve what was already there and replace some of the top boards that were having trouble. And my goal with these videos is that if I do something and I'm learning about it, then I want to share that with whoever's watching and maybe hopefully encourage people to take projects on their own that they may not know. I am no expert, but here's my stab at it. I'm in the process of restoring this deck. It's very old, and I'm just changing the decking boards and other things that are really bad because underneath, I mean, it's in fairly good condition, and I'm putting these down so the water never touches it again. And a lot of the deck boards look like this, are just aged, never really taken care of. The problem I have now is that this outer board, while intact, does have a little sag right here. So I'm going to try to replace this whole outer board. On top of that, there's no joist hangers anywhere. I'm going to fix all that and hopefully get this deck restored at a price that I can afford, because redoing it is not an option. I think it's easy for people with a ton of money to say just rebuild the whole thing, when really the structure's great. I just need to fix a couple things. This is phase 1. And over here is going to be phase 2. So I just got back from Lowe's. And I'm going to put this back exactly the way it was. And while it's wrong, it has worked for 25 years. So, yeah. I'm going to reinstall with these structural screws. Before, they were just using nails. So I call this an upgrade. It works, it works. Yes. Yes, there's way better ways to do this, but I don't have a ton of money. And for those watching this is for you. And you don't have to replace the entire thing, potentially, as long as everything is okay. And I'm not a professional, so you can beat me up if you'd like in the comments. I do want to learn. But I'm going for it. Basically, I have a straight board here, which will make the deck straight. These boards are fine. I'm going to lay new stuff down, and I'll have a deck I can enjoy without boards flying away. They were nailed. I'm going to be using screws. You guys can roast me. It's okay. Throw it in the comments. Tell me what I did wrong. But I use these big structural screws, and I thought about using those on each of the joists. But then I figured I'm actually using hangers. I'm going to install some hangers. There was never any before. There was also only nails holding all these. That was it. And it's lasted plenty of time. So I'm thinking I'll just use these guys with the hangers, which should definitely be plenty. Again, roast me. Roast me. I'm doing my best here. And I think sometimes we can't hire professionals. It's too expensive for us. And YouTube videos help. I'm probably giving bad advice, but this has worked with nails. Just nails. No joist hangers, 25 years. And the only reason I even started this is because the nails were popping up on the deck. And then once I got in there, I saw a few sags, which was from this outer rim joist that was just warped, causing a dip, but it was held in place very strong. Here we go. Look at that. Hard day's work. Nice and level deck. Okay. Onward. Thank you for watching.